Yes, this is JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at the Exhibitors Expo. Hottest new bleeding edge product. Ionized air? Atomized air. Take that wrong, but take a look at this. You can now do your promotions and everything on this particular machine in all different colors. It actually turns it into a projector. Spectacular. That's the best we've seen at this show, and what I consider the best new technology I've seen out of the whole show. And it's called Holographic Entrance.
Holographicentrance.com.
And then you walk through the magic. All right, I'll show you. We're coming in. Very smart for any type of exhibit that you're doing. You have to be different nowadays, and you have to differentiate yourself from your competitors. If you don't, you're screwed. So this will bring them in your booth rather than just standing there all day. Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
Thank you guys for stopping by, appreciate it.
Let's see what else we got here. There's banner companies, there's pull-up companies, sign companies, ultra-large display rentals. Jesus, take a look at that. That's got to be 30 by 40. And look at this, Showflex with an umbrella. Everything I've seen so far has been really, really good. Again, we do a lot of conferences and everything, and depending on the booth and what you have in it is how successful you're going to be. So I think that's all we're going to show you from here today. We're going to move along. If you have any questions or anything in particular that you want us to see or report on, make sure you just follow us at Sync Media Network on YouTube. Here's one with a tile exhibit. I'm sure you've seen that before, where you can also spell out anything on the tile, but it's actually moving. Beautiful projection screen. And here, as you can see on the other side, is a snake. So they're doing 3D, where you need the special glasses. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's turn it off right now, and we'll come back if we can find anything else that's great. So it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Back to you in the studio.